Hi guys, Angela here. Today I'm going to plant the terrarium. All of the little tropicals and mini plants that I got yesterday at Family Tree Nursery in Overland Park, Kansas. They're going to find their new home in the terrarium today. I'm doing it in the addition inside because it's nap time, so I'm also going to half whisper, so hopefully you can hear me just fine. But I think the way that I'll do it is I'll just kind of move the camera down and let you guys see inside the terrarium, since it's not going to be very easy for you to see what I'm doing any other way. So what I did is I put together my soil mixture. It is like a half cactus mix, some extra perlite, and then some just regular indoor potting soil. It's an organic, I always forget the brand. And then normally with the terrarium I would do some rock along the outside, but I don't have rock, so I'm going to use this mulch. Hear me out, I think it's gonna work and I think it will still look really nice. They're like big wooden chunks. It's the mulch that we use in our outside gardens. So I like the look of it. It has a little extra dirt on it, but it's gonna be just fine. Oh, and while we're at it, let me show you my mother plant, my spider plant back there, and all of the babies. They all got repotted today, and so some of them are already gifted to some friends, and then the rest are gonna be holiday items. So excited. And then this guy over here, he is a plant that I just made this moss pole this morning out of some cocoa fiber, cocoa core or whatever that was in the garden used. I wrapped it around a stick and then I tied up this plant around it. So that's like way better than what it used to look like. I think he's gonna be much happier. Okay, so anyways, I'm done babbling. I'm going to pause here, move the camera, get it situated so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. All right, friends, here we go. Okay, so what I did, I grabbed a plastic bag. Hear me out, okay? I think it's gonna work. Here. There, okay. So I figured I would start by getting all of my soil in here first. Some call it dirt, some call it soil. I say as long as it keeps my plants alive, I'm fine. So I hope that's enough. Let's see, my biggest plant, one of these guys, and it is definitely not enough soil. Okay, pause. Okay, back for round two. I just made some more of the soil mixture. I haven't mixed it yet, so that's why you probably just saw a bunch of perlite go in. Anyways, okay. There we go. Let's see how this does. Yes, okay, that's exactly what we want. So, okay, here's my thought, right? Now I have my big ugly bag. But now I think I can easily put in, let's see if I can get a better angle for you guys. I'm sorry, it's not great. I know you don't want to see me. Okay, I'm gonna take these chunks and put them on the outside of the bag so that when you're looking in the terrarium, hopefully, hopefully you see wood chips instead of the plastic bag, right? We don't want to see a plastic bag. I was just really afraid that, I'm sorry, I'm just putting it, I don't know if you guys can even see. I can't hold this here, but I'm literally just kind of shoving it in the corners. And I'm going to cut down the bag in a minute. Oh my gosh, you can see down my shirt. I'm so sorry. Nobody wants to see that either. Okay, so I'll throw in a couple more smaller pieces up front. Okay, hear me out. Now I'm going to have to lift the camera up again. Well, I said I liked plants. I didn't say I was good at like this techie stuff, right? Okay, so Now my plan is to cut out the rest of the bag. And I know full well that there will be some spillage and some dirt will get out, but I'm hoping that a little bit of this moisture barrier will help keep the terrarium in good condition. Pray with me, folks. I mean, I don't always have great ideas, but I think this might be a great idea. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think this looks incredible. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of leave that for now. We'll tuck in those pieces later. Okay. Okay, we're ready for some plants. So this first one here is the Staghorn Fern. It was $5.99 and I got it 20% off. Practically a steal. So, oops, just broke the pot. Okay, and I'm gonna put him in this big corner over here. So this one and the button fern. I had to stop, I forgot what that was called. The button fern are the two big ones that I have. I'm gonna make sure that there's enough soil on the back side of him to keep him happy. Okay, that looks good. Okay, he looks gorgeous in here. Okay, and then I have this button fern. It's not a lemon button, it's just a regular button. So he's kind of a darker brown. He was also $5.99, 20% off. I really need to do that now. So it's like $4 something. He's gonna go in the middle here. Oh, you guys, this looks so gorgeous. I wish the camera was closer for you. I'll make sure you guys get a big close up. Oh, I'm in love. Okay, then I have the Cypress lemon cypress. It's like a little tree. It's so cute. He's bone dry right now though. So he's gonna be very happy to get some water in a minute. I wonder what my boys are gonna think when they see this. They're probably gonna wanna get some fairies or something so that we can have a little fairy garden. Okay, I'm gonna reposition myself for these smaller guys. Okay, next I have a crispy fern. I think crispy wave fern. Look how cute he is. Light to medium sunlight, 1 to 2 waterings a week. Ferns are so high maintenance, but they're just the cutest things ever. Maybe they aren't high maintenance. Maybe I just need to have them outside more often. I don't know. Can't do it now, it's winter. So we'll see how they do in this terrarium. Oh, this is looking so cute. Okay, and then I have this guy, the Frosty Fern. He was $4.99, and I love the little tendrils that come down. I feel like, I don't know, maybe those are aerial roots? I'm not quite sure. I've never seen this guy before. Usually when I go and see the ferns, or I go to a nursery, I ignore the ferns because I usually can't keep them alive. But yesterday I was feeling inspired, and I just absolutely fell in love with these guys. Okay, so then this guy, oh, I still forgot. Oh no, I wrote this down. No, I forgot what this one was. If anyone knows what this little plant is, let me know. He definitely is a fern. Is it a kangaroo paw? I don't know. It's variegated. Let me know. If you know, let me know. I think he's gonna go in the middle. And then I have 2 of these guys, and let's see, Cowboy Bloop Blorp. You were so awesome, and you told me that you think that these are Ficus Pumila. or creeping figs. They are definitely variegated. I think they're so gorgeous. I'm gonna put them in here, I think on either side of this. And then, oh my gosh, I don't know if I have enough room. I have this fern, but I have to pause. Oh my gosh, Kellen just woke up. Okay, give me a minute, guys. Hi guys, Angela here. So I'm going to do a quick recap on the terrarium because yesterday, while I was in the middle of filming, the trifecta of chaos hit. My camera died, like the battery died, my light died, the boys woke up from their naps, and the dogs needed to go outside, and so, I mean, it's a little less chaos right now. You'll hear it all happening in the background over there. But I still thought that I would show you guys the finished product because it's incredible and it looks so great. So let's pause and we will, I'll show you around, okay? All right, there's Perdita. Here's Steve. He's in trouble today. He just got on the table. All right, so here is the finished product. The light from this room is maybe a little too much, but I will try to show you guys around. Okay, so here we go. I got everything in almost. I didn't get the heart-shaped fern in. And then there was another creeping fig that I didn't get placed in because I didn't take into account that I would need to lose all the real estate around the edges to put in like the wood. So like it looks great. You can see my reflection, sorry, there, but it looks so good, you guys. It's too bright here and I'm so sorry. But anyways, I got all of the rest of them placed last night. I gave them a nice drink of water. They look so beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. As you can tell, we're still in the middle. We bought the doors finally, so we'll get those placed in today. But at least the terrarium looks good. You can't even tell that there's a plastic layer in there, so I think I did it right. So looks great. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in. I'm glad you guys got to watch me work on this. It was so fun. Oh, and I don't know if you can even see it in here. There it is. That man made it in. Okay, now the kids are in the other room yelling at me, so I gotta go. But thank you guys again. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.